Hello friends, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to be focusing on the posture log position. Now this particular posture is really good to open up your hips and release any tension or soreness you might be feeling in your glutes as well. Now to begin this position, first we're going to come down onto your mat. You're going to flex one foot, your right foot, plant the heel onto the mat, and that same knee is going to start to fall down. You want to make sure that you have a 90-degree angle with your leg. And then from here, you're going to place the other heel planted on top of that knee. Now from this position, we are going to aim to have both of your sit bones grounded on the mat. So start to lower that hip. Make sure you feel the ground with both of your sit bones. Now, for some of you, this might be where you stop. If you have more tension or tightness in the hips, your body may not allow you to go deeper than this, and that's totally fine. You're going to work your way through this position, and over time, as the hips release, you'll see you'll be able to lower this knee closer towards the ground. For others, you might have very open hips, and this might feel really easy for you. So what we're trying to do here is to make both of your shins parallel. Your sit bones are grounded and you're sitting open here. Now again, if you'd like to take this even a step further, what you're going to do is release your body all the way down to the ground. So you want to take an inhale, reach both arms up, and then exhale, start to fold from the hips, not the back. So keep the back straight, fold all the way down, and then release. Now the more you go forward, you're gonna feel that release through the glutes. Now I love doing this posture in my practice anytime I feel any sort of soreness or tightness from any other workouts. This is perfect to incorporate into your everyday life. And that's it. This is your log posture. So try to include this into your practice, and I promise you'll see incredible benefits in your hips flexibility. Lots of love to you guys. We'll see you soon.